Hey, it's Kirsten again with the Backyard Garden. I just pausing for a second, even though I was already doing this, and I thought that maybe you guys would also like to see it. I bought Ajuga. This one's mint chocolate chip Ajuga, and you can see it's got nice dark, it's evergreen foliage, so like our freeze didn't even take it out, and I did not protect them. And they had these wonderful little purple blooms on them. Usually that is not all year, it's just you know, seasonally, so it'll come in and out like spring and then fall again. And they are just really resilient ground cover that you can walk on. And I know a lot of people try to do like creeping thyme or some other things in between paving stones, but honestly these are going to be some of the best ones that you can put in, that you will not have to take care of. You won't have to worry about dying because they are very resilient, and they are excellent in full shade, and they're great even in full sun. They might get a little dry in full sun, but you just water them more. So in between pavings, taking a break because I had two of them, and basically in these little pots, they come out and they are really packed in there. And you can see that this is one that I've pulled apart. I've already used a lot of it. And so if you kind of get the dirt off a little bit, then you can gently pull them apart. And see, even here, this one has roots off of this little guy, and you can pull him apart. This one is independent. You could pull him off just like that. And that guy would be a brand new Ajuga. And then you can plant them. Well, you can really get your money's worth if you pull them apart like this. So right there, that's 3 to 4, depending on if I pull that little one back away. And sorry, my cat is visiting me. And so you can really get quite a few plants out of just one little 4-inch pot. And so what I'm doing is after I've pulled these all kind of apart, and each of them have roots on them, and then I'm putting them in between the cracks in my stones this way. And again, this is something underneath a big crepe myrtle, and so it tends to get shaded out in the summer. So I'm putting these cordalis in there, which are great full blue light shade plants. And then I'm putting all of these Ajugas. See, I'm gonna step on that one that I just planted. All these Ajugas in between the crevices, and it will keep all these weeds out, and it'll be this nice foliage in between the rocks. Very excited about this, but I figured I'd pause to kind of let you know what I was doing, and highly suggest you do it too. Have a good day.